Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix GTA 5 Enhanced not opening or launching on your PC with simple methods. First, start by checking your system requirements to make sure your PC can run the enhanced version. Outdated hardware can prevent the game from launching properly. Next, verify the game files through your launcher like Steam or Epic Games. Corrupted or missing files are a common reason for this issue. Also, update your graphics drivers to the latest version because outdated drivers can cause crashes or prevent the game from opening. Another important step is to run the game as administrator and disable any background apps or overlays that might interfere with the launch process. You should also temporarily disable antivirus or firewall, as they can sometimes block the game files. If the issue still continues, reinstall the game or the launcher to fix deeper problems. And that's how you can fix GTA 5 Enhanced not launching easily. Subscribe the channel for more videos.